How would you like to make some money simply by copying and pasting Google images? You can even see payments that they've made today, the 2nd of December, $20, $10, $12, $30, $20, $5, and all these payments are being paid out to an account of your choice, whether it be PayPal or any other payment method you desire. And the best part about this make money online strategy is it's completely free to do and can be done worldwide. I will show you how to do this step by step in just a moment. Hey everybody, it's Graham and welcome back. If you are new here and you appreciate and like watching info-packed videos such as the one you're watching now, then please take some time to like the video, subscribe and smash that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any content I release in the future. For those awesome people who liked and subscribed, mention liked or subscribed in the comments down below so that I can personally thank you. In this video, we'll be covering how you can make money online by simply using free Google images. It's a super simple strategy and you can get started straight after watching this video. As you can see by all these payment methods, it is available worldwide for anyone wanting to give it a try. And stick around to the end of this video to not miss any crucial steps, and I will throw in some bonus tips to help you drastically increase your earnings. So let's get into it. Firstly, go to Google and type in Google Images. Once doing that, you'll get to the Google Images site as shown here. Then what you want to do is search for any pictures. So as an example, let's say scenic backgrounds. Google Images will then show you all the available pictures that you're able to use and download at any point in time. And shortly, I'll show you exactly where to upload these images so that people can grab their very own copy and make you some money. There is one thing you need to do first before you download any one of these images, and that is by filtering by the correct images. So to show you what I mean, we'll go over to Tools over here, click on that. You'll then see it says Usage Rights over here. You want to then click on the down arrow and select Creative Commons licenses. It'll then filter all these pictures on Google Images for the ones that have a Creative Commons license. What this means is you can use this picture however you choose in any which way you want, and there won't be any comeback to you whatsoever. So you won't have to worry about any copyright issues at all. All you have to do now is scroll through the images available and choose any one or a bunch of them that you would like to download. Click on the image that you would like, so let's choose this one. What you need to do then is right click on the image and go through to Save Image As. Once you select on Save Image As, a window will pop up where you can rename the file and save it into the folder of your choice. You can follow the same process for any of these images and download as many as your heart desires, so that you can use them to make the most amount of money. The next step is going to a website called Appforever.org. As you can see by the landing page, this is a free file sharing cloud software. This is where you can come and upload all the pictures that you've just downloaded from Google Images, and it's absolutely free. I will go over how this site works shortly, and if done correctly, this can be a simple passive income strategy that you can grow into the future. So you've probably been wondering how much can be made with this strategy. So as shown in the beginning of the video, they do daily payments on this website. And just a few examples of payments made today is $20 through to PayPal, $10, $12, $1, $30, $20, $5. All of these are being paid through to PayPal. However, as you saw earlier, there are so many different payment options that you can then choose from, not just PayPal. A few more other examples of payments. On the 27th of November, they paid out $18, $1, $38, $48, $25. As you can see, they are decent amounts and they paid out on a daily basis. That means you can make money every single day. How your earnings are determined are based on a tier basis. So you'll see on the screen here, there's 4 tiers and each tier has a separate earning potential based on that tier. The different tiers are based on the country that the person is in when they come through to this website and download the file. As shown here, a tier 1 country is United States and Canada, a tier 2 is Australia, a tier 3 is Saudi Arabia and United Arab Emirates, and tier 4 are all other countries. Stick around to the end of this video and I'll show you great tips that can increase your earnings potential based on these tiers. With this website, as you can see, it gives you different profit modes that you can earn. So you can earn solely based on completed downloads, or a mix between the downloads and any premium packages that people buy to host their files on this website. You can go through it in further detail, but it does give you a different option that you can choose. Your next step is then going through to the top of the page and signing up over here. You'll then come through to this registration page, fill in all your details, username, password, email, and then select the payment method that you want. As you can see, there are so many different options as you scroll through here of different payment methods. Then you need to go to your upload area. To do this, you'll see at the top of the screen it says upload files. You click on that, you'll then be shown this particular page. Very important, it says here the types of files that are not allowed on this website. And it also says if you're having trouble uploading images, you may need to disable your ad block. The next step now is to upload the files that you have then downloaded from Google Images. To do that, you'll then go here where it says choose file. You click on that, it'll then show you a window where you can then search for the file that you saved. You then select on that file and say open. It'll then start uploading that file over here in this window. Once your file is uploaded to this website, a small window will pop up showing a place that you can add tags to your picture. You can add as many tags as you want, but make sure that you separate them with a comma. Once choosing all your tags and finalizing your upload, it'll then provide you with numerous links for your picture that you can then share, put on your own website, your social media, wherever you would like to share it. It really is that simple. As at date of this recording, a quick note on this website is you might have a few glitches where it doesn't upload your file properly. What I've found to be the solution to that is taking off my ad block for this website. It then allows me to load up the pictures. Now for the bonus tips that I told you about in the beginning of the video, where it can help you make even more money. Number 1, I would suggest going through to other royalty-free websites such as Pexels over here, or you can even choose sites such as Unsplash. You can then scroll through their pictures over here, choose any one that you would like, download these pictures, and then upload them into your file sharing site. All these pictures are royalty free, so there's no attribution or licenses on these pictures. Number 2 is creating a simple gallery blog or website similar to this of Pexels, where you have your pictures on your website, and then whoever wants your picture can then click through on your website and go through and download it from the file sharing platform. Option 3 is creating a slideshow of these pictures, loading them up on a site like YouTube, and then having your download links in the description below the video. Bonus number 4 is finding royalty-free videos and Creative Commons videos that you can then upload to your file sharing site. You can then do things such as what I've mentioned in bonus number 1, 2, and 3, and have as many options available for people to then click through and download that file. The more places you put your download link, the more downloads you get, the more money you make. So if you're looking for a different way to make some money, go ahead and give this method a try. There you have it, ladies and gents. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit that like button, subscribe, and smash that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any content I release in the future. Thank you for watching, everybody. We'll see you in the next video. Take care. Cheers.